Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Venmo business payments for streamlined expense tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Venmo business payments, start by downloading the Venmo app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. If you have an existing personal account, log into that account. Navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select Settings from the list that appears. Look for the option that says Manage Balance or Venmo for Business. Tap on Create a Business Profile. Follow the prompts to enter your business information. You may also be asked to provide your employer identification number, or EIN. Next, set up your payment preferences. Choose how customers can pay you, either via a Venmo payment link or QR code. Once you have set up your preferences, review the fees associated with business transactions. Link your business bank account to your Venmo account for smooth transactions. Make sure your profile is complete with a logo or business image. After that, test the payment system by sending a small payment to yourself or a trusted friend. Ensure that everything functions as expected and is properly recorded. Check your transaction history to verify that expense tracking is working correctly. Once everything is confirmed, promote your Venmo business profile to your customers. Encourage them to use Venmo for payments to streamline your expense tracking. Regularly monitor your Venmo account for transactions and keep organized records of your payments. With these steps, you will have a functional Venmo business profile for efficient expense tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.